The universe is full of mysteries, and science has revealed some truly mind-bending facts about the world we live in. From particles that can exist in two places at once to plants that communicate with each other, reality is stranger than fiction. Welcome to Top 10 and Top 5, where today we're counting down 10 strange scientific facts that will blow your min-dot. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and drop a comment below, because some of these facts will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Number 10. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. Have you ever thought of yourself as a power plant? Well, you should. Your brain generates about 20 watts of electrical energy, enough to light up a small LED bulb. This electrical activity happens because neurons in your brain fire signals constantly, even when you're asleep. In fact, your brain uses more energy than any other organ in your body, consuming about 20% of your total energy. So next time someone calls you bright, they're not wrong. You're literally a walking power source. Number 9. Water can boil and freeze at the same time sounds impossible, right? But under certain conditions, water can do exactly that, boil and freeze simultaneously. This bizarre phenomenon is called the triple point, and it happens when temperature and pressure are just right for water to exist as a solid, liquid, and gas at the same time. Picture a droplet of water boiling into vapor while freezing into ice. It's like nature's magic trick. Scientists use the triple point to define absolute temperature standards, proving just how strange the physical world can get. Number 8. Bananas are radioactive. Here's a fact: you'll never look at bananas the same way again. They're radioactive. Don't worry, you'd have to eat thousands in one sitting to see any effects. Bananas contain potassium-40, a naturally occurring isotope that emits tiny amounts of radiation. But here's the cool part. Potassium is essential to our bodies, and this mild radiation isn't harmful at all. In fact, bananas are used as a playful standard to measure radiation exposure, known as the banana equivalent dose. So next time you eat a banana, just remember, you're consuming a tiny piece of radioactive science. Are these facts blowing your mind yet? We're just getting started. If you're enjoying these strange and surprising discoveries, hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to drop a comment with your favorite fact so far. Trust me, the weirdest ones are still to come. Number 7. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Imagine living on a planet where a single day lasts longer than an entire year. That's the reality on Venus. Venus takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis, meaning its day is longer than its orbit around the Sun, which takes just 225 Earth days. In other words, on Venus, you'd celebrate New Year's before sunset. Scientists believe Venus's slow rotation might be tied to its dense atmosphere and intense gravitational interactions with the Sun. Either way, Venus takes the concept of a long day to a whole new level. Number 6. Plants talk to each other. You might think plants are silent, passive organisms, but they're secretly communicating all the time. Through underground networks of fungi, known as mycorrhizal networks, plants share nutrients, warn each other about predators, and even help sick neighbors recover. Some scientists call this the Wood Wide Web, a biological internet connecting roots to fungi and beyond. For example, when a tree is under attack by insects, it can send out chemical signals to nearby plants, alerting them to prepare their defenses. It's like a forest-wide chat room, except no Wi-Fi required. Number 5. Space smells like burnt steak. Here's a strange fact about space that astronauts have reported time and time again. It smells like burnt steak. How do they know? Well, while space itself is a vacuum and has no air to carry scent, when astronauts return to their spacecraft after a spacewalk, their suits often smell like seared meat or welding fumes. Scientists believe this odor comes from polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, molecules created when stars die and release energy. So if you've ever wondered what space smells like, imagine standing next to a barbecue in zero gravity. Number 4. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. If aliens exist on Earth, they might just be octopuses. These incredible creatures have not 1 but 3 hearts, and their blood isn't red, it's blue. Why? Unlike humans, who rely on iron-based hemoglobin to carry oxygen, octopuses use hemocyanin, which contains copper. This makes their blood appear blue and allows them to survive in the cold, oxygen-poor depths of the ocean. Two of their hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third circulates it through the rest of the body. Fun fact: when they swim, the heart that pumps to the body actually stops, which is why octopuses prefer crawling over swimming. It's less tiring. Number 3. Time moves faster on the top of a mountain. Did you know that the higher up you are, the faster time passes? This mind-blowing phenomenon is a result of Einstein's theory of relativity, which explains how gravity affects time. The closer you are to a massive object, like the Earth's core, the slower time moves. So, if you stood at sea level while your friends stood at the top of Mount Everest, time would tick ever so slightly faster for them. It's a tiny difference, but it proves that time isn't as constant as we think. In a way, living on a mountain makes you age faster just by a fraction of a second. Number 2, you're made of stardust. Here's a beautiful fact that connects us all. Every atom in your body, from the carbon in your cells to the iron in your blood, was forged in the heart of a star. Billions of years ago, stars exploded in massive supernovae, scattering their elements across the universe. Over time, these elements formed new stars, planets, and eventually, us. As physicist Carl Sagan once said, "We are made of star stuff." So the next time you look up at the night sky, just remember, you're gazing at the very origins of your existence. Number 1, there's a planet made of diamonds. Finally, at number 1, scientists have discovered a planet made almost entirely of diamonds. Known as 55 Cancri E, this planet is twice the size of Earth and orbits a sun-like star 40 light-years away. Its surface temperatures soar to over 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, but beneath its carbon-rich crust, conditions could compress carbon into pure diamond. In fact, it's estimated that the planet's core is worth quadrillions of dollars. While it's far beyond our reach, the existence of a diamond planet proves that the universe is far stranger and richer than we could ever imagine. From brains that light up bulbs to diamond planets, science constantly reminds us how bizarre and extraordinary our universe truly is. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Top 10 and Top 5 for more videos that uncover the strangest and most amazing truths about our world. Hit that like button, turn on notifications, and stay curious because there's always more to discover.